Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can increase inventory in Windrose. It's pretty easy. Right now, as you can see in my inventory, I don't have enough space, and that's because I wanna basically increase my inventory. So the process is quite easy. Just get your weapon and basically cut down all these bushes to able to get plant fiber. Okay, as you can see, we are getting plant fiber. Cut down all these bushes. Now once you have enough bushes, just get back to your workbench, because we're gonna need workbench to able to make some stuff, and that stuff gonna help us to make a backpack, and eventually backpack will help us to increase the inventory. If you don't know how to craft workbench, simply press B to open the build mode, hit right click, go to crafting and utilities. Right here you're gonna see workbench, so this is the one you need to craft. Or once you have the workbench, simply go interact with it, and right here by using the plant fiber we're gonna make rope. Select rope, craft it. Now here we have coarse fabric, so select that, and we would need 3, so that's why select 3 here and select craft. Now just take all, scroll, and you're gonna see this one torn silk cloth bag. So just we have to craft it. We have the stuff, so we can easily craft it. Take all. Now since we have the bag, we can open the inventory, and simply we have the bag right here. So if you remove the bag, you can see the space is now gone. If you again equip it, we'll able to get some slots here. So yeah, that's basically how you'll able to increase inventory in Windrose. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.